In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can update your payment details in Locked On and choose to switch your payment plan from monthly to annually to save a 15% discount. Once you're in Locked On, you'll be able to click your name at the top of the screen and go to Accounts and Billing if you're an admin user. In the Accounts and Billing area, you will see the plan and the package you are on detailed at the top. There'll also be a message that tells you how much you can save if you switch to an annual package. The annual price will then be displayed on the green button. To switch to annually, click the Pay option, and this will then give you a message to make sure you want to confirm to pay annually, and then click OK. Once your package has changed to annually, you'll then see here in the package details that your billing is now annually. Also in the Accounts and Billing area, you'll be able to add another credit card. To do this, hit the Add Credit Card option and enter in the details of your new card. Once your new card has been added, you will see this in a list of cards that you can select. If you'd like to now use this card as your default, select the option on the right and select Make Default. This will then update your payments to come from the nominated credit card. You can also choose to remove your card from the account by using the drop-down and selecting the Delete option.